I would now request one of the most distinguished personalities of Saraswati Dental College, Dr. Rajat Mathur sir, to enlighten us with his valuable words.
Thank you very much. Our chief guest today, General Vimal Arora sir, Principal, Saraswati Dental College, Vice Principal, Deans, faculty members who have joined us today, undergrad and postgrad students who have joined us today, and our beautiful alumni who have joined in a large number today. Greetings and happy Diwali from Dr. Rajat Mathur to all of you. It is indeed a pleasure to see such a beautiful participation today. Loved the way the entire program was conducted on this 22nd Founders Day. In spite of the technicalities which Zoom can offer, in spite of the pandemic which is all around, I can still see smiling faces. And that says a lot. Because everybody falls down. It is not falling down which is important, but it is getting up after you fall down that is more important. And this is what our founder chairman, Colonel Mathur, always advocated. I sincerely thank Lieutenant General Arora sir for accepting to be the chief guest. Let me tell you, sir is more of a family to us. And he's a beautiful human being. I've had multiple interactions with him. And every time that I meet him, I am in awe of his personality. I met sir first at the Command Dental Center in Lucknow. And the way he greeted and reciprocated to us was heartwarming. It was just impeccable. And since that day, we've had a beautiful relation with sir. Sir is part of Saraswati. Sir is a professor emeritus of our institute and has always been blessing us from near and from far. And I thank you, sir, for being the chief guest today and presiding over the entire function. I once again extend my heartiest greetings for the festive occasion of Deepavali. I hope this Deepavali not only enlightens the houses, our homes, our businesses, but this Deepavali also enlightens our minds, our bodies, and our souls. This is my blessing to all the youngsters who are listening and tuning in today. And my request to all the teachers to keep spreading the light as they have been. Thank you very much, everybody, and Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Your words have always been a motivation for each one of us. Let us now welcome the strongest pillar of this institution, Honorable Chairperson, Mrs. Madhu Mathur ma'am, to kindly bless the occasion.
Good morning, everybody. A very, very happy Diwali to all of you. And this has been a very, very special day because this happens to be my husband's late Colonel T.S. Mathu's birthday, which is falling after 78 years. The day he was born, it was also a Diwali day. And since then, his birthday has been celebrated every year on 14th of November. And it was a Children's Day also. So he was very much attached to his birthday also. He loved children. And that's how we got into this field of education after taking premature retirement. He wanted, after serving the country, seeing 3 wars, 65, 71, and of course another Kargil, he wanted to see the country's youth progressing and getting the best and offering them the best he could. Of course, General Vimal has been very, very close to us. It was such a pleasure to see him. And you must have seen, General, that in your corps, you're going to have all-woman regiment also very soon in the defense. Because here you must have seen how the woman is taking over every aspect of the cultural activities, as well as, of course, they are very keen on joining the forces, and of course, the education. I would give my blessings to each one of you, right from the core of my heart, that you all prosper, look after yourself, and be happy always. Thank you and take care.
Thank you so much.
I'll just take 1 minute. I would love.
We have a small cake to commemorate this occasion, and I would request ma'am to cut this cake, since it also happens to be Dad's birthday. So a big happy birthday and a lovely Founders Day to all of us. Guys, this is Ria, my daughter, and this is Sarthak.
And this piece of cake is for everybody to enjoy the sweetness and the flavor of the cake. Thank you and be happy.
Thank you.